We are back with another video.
Here.
So we're doing Realms of the Gods. This is the latest. Well, by the time this drops, it'll probably be old, but one of the latest sets of Dragon Ball. So this comes with what? 2 packs in it and some cards, right?
4 packs.
4 packs.
4 packs in it. I think 1 or 2 promo cards.
So this is pretty much a booster box.
Yep.
So we're gonna get this going. So let's look alive and let's rip. All right, so I'm gonna open one while you open those 3. Get the packs out. Let's go there. So let's see. They're all pretty much gonna be the same except for obviously the packs, right?
I don't know about the promo cards that come with this.
All right, so there's a promo card that might be different. Look at this.
No.
This amateur hour here.
Yeah.
Jeez.
First time opening this.
Yeah.
Judge.
Yeah, let's go. Let's go. Yeah, let us know what's up. All right, so that's the promo card.
Yeah, so the promo cards that came with the booster box that we opened is probably from a box like this.
Okay, gotcha.
Yeah, so I guess they are all the same. It's
so it's all the same. Oh, okay, cool. All right, so we got. All right, so I'm gonna start opening these.
For those that don't know, in this set, this is the first set to introduce God rare cards, and the first God rare card is Super Saiyan God Vegeta. And that's the one everybody's looking for. That's why everybody's making a big deal out of this. Super Saiyan God Super Saiyan.
Gotcha. Vegeta. Vegeta. These cards are so dope.
And that would be insane.
Oh, look at that pretty one. Oh, man.
This ain't for Vegeta.
Alright. Let's definitely bag and tag that. Alright, let's go.
Cards are gonna come out of this box.
Man, I love these cards, man. They're so cool. They really are cool. Oh, Piccolo.
Piccolo, what's behind them?
Oh,
okay. Is that what is this? SR? Okay, I gotta see this.
Yeah, you gotta check that out. Secret rare. Right?
SR, SPR, SCR. What is this? SR. So it's
And isn't there also God packs, right? That's
well,
in this set they released some God packs.
I don't think there's God packs. That would be what is it? Pokemon? I think they call those God packs. That had like every card is a
No,
card
I think somebody opened God packs of this.
For Dragon Ball?
Yeah.
Hopefully we get one of them.
Yeah, that'd be dope. I just don't know how it would look like. I guess it's all the hollow cards in one pack. Let us know in the comments. I know I've seen it. I just don't remember. Look at this guy. I am the champion, my friends. All right, let's go. Ooh. Trunks. Big hit. Big hit. Let's go. Nice. Bink.
God of Destruction right there. Regular uncommon.
No,
you gotta go 10.
Oh, man. This is why this dude's falling asleep, man. He keeps hitting that thing.
I'm good.
The big Bula Sleepy. Oh.
Super Saiyan Vegeta. Bahamans. We're looking for the SPRs, SRs, SCRs.
Yeah.
And that GR. That God Rare. Oh, go on.
Cool card.
That is a cool card.
Oh.
Vegeta right there.
Saying goodbye to future Trunks at this part of the anime.
Oh,
Oh, Genki! Yeah, brought a tear to my eye.
yeah.
Oh my god, there's something back there.
Uh-oh.
There's something back there.
Uh-oh.
Oh, okay. What is that? Is that an SPR? I think it's an SPR.
Yeah, it looks dope. And it has like a little, like you feel the card, yeah.
SPR. Special fan.
What the hell?
Oh, that's the hero?
They got hit though.
Got hit, got dinged.
Got dinged. How did that happen? Was somebody looking through this?
It's that QC. They slacking on the QC.
Quality control.
Yeah, son. Send that to the trash. Wow. Support of the Dark Empire.
Dabuda.
Dark Saiyan.
Whis.
That's really cool though.
Universe 7.
It's weird, like some of them feel really like thick and heavy and then some of them don't, but it's like the same pack. It's bizarre.
Oh.
Look at that. That's dope. Oh,
Oh, okay.
I got another one of these.
Huh? That's PR. I'll take it.
Yeah.
I will take it.
Get them pulls, kid. Get them pulls. Get those hitters, kid. Oh.
My.
Head.
Alright, we're almost down to the last of the packs. Hit that like, hit that subscribe, check out our library. Got a ton of stuff from sports to all these cool different types of stuff. Marvel, Dragon Ball, wrestling, you name it. Oh, look at that. Pokemon. Wow, that's dope.
Moinga. On Marina. That's where you're looking from. That's a common.
It's a common?
Pack fresh hit.
Ooh.
Lost. Universe 7. Bad Universe 6.
Oh, Bulma.
From the future.
Bulma.
Oh, what's that?
Angel of Universe 2.
I like it.
That character.
Alright, let's go. Let's get some more hitters. Come on.
Need that ultra rare card.
Big, come on.
Come on. Ooh. Awaken.
Ultra Instinct
Instinct
Goku.
Goku.
That one's nice,
This one
man.
is nice.
The bag and tag, whether it's common or rare, son. Pretty.
Anything Kakarot.
For real, son. Anything Vegeta. Look at that. Oh, we got two.
Oh,
nice.
The MVP right there, son.
Nice.
MVP. That's my boy, 17.
17?
That good wish, right? When he won before the thing.
Yes,
That
sir.
good wish.
What do you wish?
To restore all the universes.
Oh, snap, man.
Deleted.
He wanted the competition. Oh, look, Trunks.
Oh, something behind it.
Oh.
Wait a second. Is that an SCR?
I think so. It's a full art, right? On the full art.
SPR. Let me check that.
Let's see.
SCR, let's go.
SPR.
Oh man.
Let's see our secret rare. See, I'm learning.
See what happens when you're, awake and paying attention. You're not bullering in your head. Oh man.
Last 2 packs.
Let's go. Last 2 packs.
Oh. SCR.
Whoa.
Another ultra rare.
Let's do this. Oh, Goku. Alright.
Probably a common.
Yeah, but it's still Goku. Last pack magic.
Last pack magic.
So let's get that super rare card. Does it glow like,
Yeah,
when...
it's all gold.
Oh, snap. So it really does glow.
Yes, it does.
It's kind of kidding, but... Oh, hi. This is a nice card, too. All right, that's all the packs. Here are the hits. Ooh. And ooh.
My God.
Awesome. So hit that like, hit that subscribe, and we will catch you at the next one.